This is part 2. 3, 2, 1, go. This. Bye. Let's pop the balloons. Oh no. Yeah, boy. You can stop me. Ow. Ow, help. This is part 2. Bye. This is part 2. Bye. Get ready to die. I throw you to die. What is the UTI? This is not finished. This is entertainment purpose only. Joke. This is not entertainment. Guys. Get ready to die. Yeah, boy. I almost died. How did I get out? What? What the fuck is this? What is this? Bye. 2, 1, go. G, bye. Bye, black. Bye, black. Glow. Ow. Born a hero. G, bye. But, oh no. This looks like for not kids. No. Okay, I give up. Ow! How did you give up? Why did you give up? I'm already giving up. Black. Oh. Ah! Ah! Bye. What? Not again. Why did we die? What? Wait a minute. I'm not creating memes. Why is black so glitchy? Looks like I hit with dual saber. Did you see? In part 1 he's glitching and part 2 Jeez. But bye. What game I should play? Show in the comments.